Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to service the taillight on this 2003 Honda CR-V. Show you both if you just need to change the bulb as well as if you have to change the whole light due to some small mishap or something like that. Tools you'll need a small flat blade screwdriver, and then you can get away with a short stubby Phillips screwdriver as your only tools, or you could also use a ratchet with an 8mm socket. Okay, we're going to show you replacing the passenger side tail light. The driver's side is very similar. I'm just going to kind of show you. There's two plugs. You just use a small screwdriver, pry this out. Okay, 8mm bolt there. Okay, there's one there, and then one down lower here. Okay, on this passenger side, you've got one of those trap doors here. And then you have another 8mm bolt right down here. And a little fast forward as we remove those two 8mm bolts, just using an 8mm socket with a ratchet and extension. Now from the outside of the vehicle, there are three pins that hold the light in. One near the bottom, one in the middle, one at the top. Looks like my bottom was not even really holding. And the top comes right out. There's my light out. Okay, if all you're looking to do is change a bulb, right here are your bulbs, and they all just turn counterclockwise, come out, bulbs push in counterclockwise, they come out. And the same with all these here, counterclockwise, and they pull out. Okay, if you want to replace the whole light assembly, then at this point you kind of have to take your rear compartment apart a little bit. Pull your cargo rug out. Okay, push down, pull up on this panel and table. Okay, if you have a spare tire, you'll need to pull that out. Then pull this out. Right down in here, there's a couple little pins. Push the center of this through. Okay, that allows it to come out. Okay, push the center of this one through. Allow that to come out. Now you can pull this panel up and off. Okay, now we're going to just pry out this cap right at the bottom carefully. Remove this Phillips screw here. We're going to remove this jack door, the tools, take the jack, turn the thing counterclockwise, the jack lifts out, then just kind of use our screwdriver, pry out. Okay. Pull this panel out like this. And with the panel out, you can see right down here is your connection. Press on a little button right here. And disconnect. Get it unplugged and just reach in and pull up and free that plug. Remove the light, pull this grommet out. New light from 1AAuto, an exact replacement. If you had some damage in a little mishap, You're going to put the connector right in. Okay. Put the rubber grommet in. Just press right around. Okay. Put the light in place. First, we're going to carefully remove this clip that didn't come out with the other light. Now we're going to put the light kind of in place. You can look right in here and see the pins, make sure they line up. And push it right in. Okay, push this off. And then fish your connection out of here. Put it onto this clip. Where the old one was. Okay, and now plug your light in. Okay, let this go back into place. Push that all back in.
Okay, we'll fast forward as I put that hook back in with the Phillips screw, tighten it up nice and firm, put the jack back in, turn the handle so it kind of expands itself into place, put the tools back in, and the door back on. Okay, keep the speed going as I put the sill back in, pop it into place. Then it has the two clips. What you want to do is push the middle of the clips back through themselves, then put them in place and push the middles flush, and that locks it into place. Then put the rest of the insert and the panel / table and the carpet back in.
Okay, put this bolt, start in with your fingers. So it's firm. The strategy for this top one, use a Phillips screwdriver. Kind of press in, push in while you start it in. And tighten it up nice and firm.
Okay, quick test here. We got the brake lights working fine. Turn the key on, and there's the blinker. Works great. And then put it in reverse. Put it in and out a couple times. Everything seems to work fine. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.